Yes. So, hop into some, hop into a game. I go 1v1. I think I should go 1v1. Okay, so we're loading into the game. Seems like we're going against the bacon avatar. I need level 5 that. Might be a hacker. Not a hacker. I'm gonna shout. I'm gonna go sniping. See. Who's this guy? Huh? What? Where this guy at, bro? Come here, boy. Yo! Hear it all. Okay, found him. My aim. Got him. Finally. I think, yeah, this guy's not a hacker. He's on phone. Let's go up. Where's this guy at? Probably picking weapons. Or bro only has beginner weapons. Hello. Like, oh my. Am I missing? Okay, finally I hit a shot. Hmm. Wally in there. He's there. Okay. Oh my god. I'm twisting him, bro. Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up. Come here, come here, come here. Oh my god, I blew myself up. I'm gonna go sniping because he's moving around a lot. I'm gonna go this road on. So actually, Uzi is like OP if you hit your shots. And if you hit headshots, it does a lot of damage. Lasered, not lasered. Oh, why did I boom it? Kills kill a little. Hit him for some. We're about to destroy this bacon. Oh, I'm about to hit a 800 kills on my assault rifle. Probably I can do that next round because this round is not gonna last for that long. Oh, oh my, how did I take that much damage? I missed like almost every shot. Where's this guy? Just right there. Where's where gonna? Huh? Where did this guy go? Oh my gosh. So annoying. He's literally playing freaking hide and seek against me. Laser him. Oh, losing shot. And oh, I'm go for a 2v2 this time because I'm going against little bacons which are hiding, bro. But that guy skipped his beginner 2v2s. Okay, I had to mute that round because I can't use that button when I'm in game. I don't know how to. Okay, so I'm technically knifing because it's arena, bro. These guys are not knifing. My teammate's kinda not that much carrying, but he killed the other guy. Oh yeah, he run away. Don't tell me he ran away. Oh my gosh. Got it. Got the kill on him. Yeah, he tried saying pay to win, but he ended up saying nice loadout. Or that just came out like that. Got him 40. Actually, I used to get. Yay, 1 kill away. 1 kill away from 700 on my knife. Yay. Please more horn for me, teammate. Okay. Good boy. How did I kill him while I was freezed? Okay, got him. That was kinda easy. Yay, 700 kills on my knife. Auto shoot? What do you mean auto shoot, bro? I'm on computer. Did I get him? Oh, got him. Oh my, is he RPG for me? I would be so mad if he is actually RPG. Okay, he is. RPG. What? Put a white wrap on my bow? I barely use that thing. Okay, let's check our backpack. 7 tropical chests. Let's open them all. I'm aiming for that summer days emote. I really want that. Oh my god, I got a finish instead of an emote. I don't even want it. Oh my god, it. No, bro. That box and see what I get from it. Good, give me something good. Sentinel. Let me just go look at how that looks like. Sentinel. I don't really. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Have solar on it, but solar makes the weapon jiggle, bro. Don't want my weapon to jiggle wiggle that much. Get it? Bro, this guy keeps asking. Go to Beatles again. Repeat one streak. The goal of today is probably